Motorcyclists in general are not very positive for electrical motorcycling, and that's why we got a bunch of electrical bikes and started to let our members test ride them. When we saw the feedbacks, we were laughing because they are actually very, very positive. My name is Jesper Christensen. I'm the General Secretary of the Swedish Motorcyclist Association. So we started a project which we call Vision Electric, and what we wanted to do is ask the motorcycle riders, what do you think about electric motorcycling? We created a roadshow at 40 different locations all over Sweden, and we let the riders ride, and we got their opinion back, and everybody was very enthusiastic. So the future for electrical motorcycling is extremely interesting. We still have question marks about charging and range, but if you have a product like the Njord Go, then whatever you are, you will always find a possibility to connect to the power network and charge your bike. This was our rescue when we were riding out in unknown charging territory, sort of thing. We want to build a fantastic infrastructure for charging around our office. And CTEK have a product called CC2, and this is the one we chose because it fulfilled all the requirements we could have. So CTEK really was a splendid partner for us.